Hello, Mr. Big Mocker. My name is Calvin Bender, author of Aberration, The Coming Change. I've been watching you watch me, being a mentor, so to speak, and I've been taking notes on what it takes to make it in the entertainment industry. From you. So let's cut to the chase. I have a movie project that is sure to turn heads and wallets inside out just to come and see it. The movie is called Aberration, The Coming Change, after my book series Aberration. Inspired by my own life, it's an inspirational science fiction movie about a man named Anthony Sullivan who becomes endowed with supernatural powers to prepare the people in the world for its final destruction while battling his high-ranking government officials' conceited and arrogant ways in trying to stop him. Interested yet? I'm sure you are. It's an on-fire script written by the best up-and-coming screenwriter in the business, me. Let me explain it in a little bit more detail, the movie. Anthony Sullivan is seemingly a normal man sent to earth by God. He is endowed with supernatural powers to get rid of the people whom God has chosen for himself, for the rapture of the church and the end of the world. In his attempt of displaying these jaw-dropping phenomena of biblical proportions witnessed by mankind, it also attracts the attention of the federal government, namely General Davis, who quickly rises to the top of being Anthony Sullivan's biggest arch enemies. Davis tries to stop Sullivan at all costs as he goes about the world destroying some of the cities with massive natural disasters, while in other parts of the world literally bringing dead bodies back to life. Davis is completely bewildered of the power Anthony holds and is determined to catch him. However, what Davis doesn't know is that Sullivan is looking for him and plays the general into his hands without him knowing. So with the recent success of Noah, the moviegoers are dying to see another movie based on biblical principles and inspiration. And that's why I think this movie is going to pique your interest and you're going to shell out the big bucks to bring in the big bucks. What do you say? Aberration, The Coming Change, coming to a theater near you, courtesy of the Big Mocker? I think so. You and me, baby, on top of the world. Aberration.